Okay.
Right, Finn.
Oh, Kev.
Gonna kill a bit of time while Jason's messing about.
It's a good start to the video, isn't it?
Well, we'll have a walk around and we'll have a bit of a waffle and have a look at some of the vans on the set. This one, Jason's just actually handed it over. The customers are in the office now, doing the paperwork. So this is going out. You want to just stick your head in and have a quick look? This doesn't now belong to us. It's been rehomed. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's been rehomed. Yacht sleeper, that's still in the process of being cleaned up and titivated. Oh, we've got a roller team there.
Just a quick one, Kev. We've fitted a new.
That's right, we did that.
Pop top, haven't
yeah, we did
that.
It's had a brand new pop top.
So it was all mouldy and it was like ripped in a few places as well.
And it's
way better now.
Yeah, and how much was that? About $1,000.
Just over, yeah.
Just over
but I didn't think that was too bad actually.
I know, it's made it a nice van, hasn't it?
Seeing they've got comes with gravy.
Oh yeah.
Bolognese.
Whatever's
everything for camping.
Whatever's in them stays in them, yeah.
But to be fair, it's a nice little van.
This is what we're classing as a trade to trade.
Yeah.
So basically, we're selling it. You don't have to be in the trade, but we're selling it at trade price. So you could come and buy this at what we'd sell it to in the trade. So
yes.
All right. We do check it off.
Do some of the jobs, but we might have some other things that we don't do, and we just let people know that.
It's just generally, you know, so that they can sort of tidy it up.
Yeah.
You know?
You can do it at your own pace then, can't you, getting it?
So we decided to do that. We used to send them to auction, but we thought a lot of people have said, oh, do you get any older vans or for a lower budget? So
yeah,
that's what we're doing. Nice roller team, eh?
Just come in, hasn't it, this one?
I've silenced it.
Gonna have to tune that in again now.
No, it won't.
Will it just go straight on with it?
Yeah, once it's been tuned in, you're okay. We'll have a quick look in
this one comes with a shower gel.
Yeah. And a good sized shower room.
Yeah.
We've got the drop down sink. Otherwise you'd have to stoop a bit on the loo. Decent sized shower room, 2 burner hob. Microwave.
Just microwave, yeah.
Oh.
Good job for the cardboard there.
Mug of tea all over the cardboard. Whose tea was that?
It was mine from before.
You should know better than leave that in my way. So it's only got a cardboard.
But yeah, a few little jobs to do on that one so far, but nothing. It's a nice van.
It's 2019, so I don't know what we'll be retailing this at.
It's only 13,000 miles on it as well, so it's not bad, is it?
Yeah.
This one just sold, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, I think this one's just sold.
Jason's just started checking it. It's just come in actually as well. So
if it looks as if it's been burgled, yeah.
Yeah.
As you can see, when it's checked off, it's done to a big extent.
Oh, we've set the alarm off.
Well, we've just tested the alarm, so we know the alarm works. As you can see, everything's taken up and everything's checked for any loose screws, hinges, you know, faulty hinges, faulty catches. So, and it's also got to be cleaned as well.
Yeah.
Full size cooker, 3 burner hob, electric hot plate. I think we've probably got
combined, but it's spacious, isn't it? You've got your own
large
cubicle still. Yeah.
Separate oven grill.
Is it out 6 berth? Is it?
Yeah, drop down bed. It's 6 berth, 6 belted seats.
Yeah.
So a proper family van.
Yeah.
We don't tend to get a lot of family vans now. It seems to, the market seems to have dropped a bit on family vans. We sell a lot of these now, don't we? A lot of camper vans.
Loads of these.
Very, very popular now, camper vans. Even I've got one. Must be popular.
This one we're just cleaning up, aren't we? That was a bit of a, I don't know if you say a project, but we just recovered like the cupboards, didn't we, in there?
Yeah, vinyl cupboards, yeah.
That'll come up nice, won't it, when it's done?
This one's just sold.
Literally just sold, hasn't it? About 5 minutes ago.
That young Jake's just had his first sale.
Yeah.
For those that you don't know, Jake is Jason's son. And this can now go down on record as Jake's first sale.
Yeah. Nice van to sell for his first one, to be
couple
fair.
as well,
Yeah.
local couple from Telford. So you can do anything. Yeah, so well done, Jake. We have done a video on this anyway. We've got the drop down bed, which is quite good actually. The bed drops down to about here. So it's nice low bed. The table on there, you swing it about. And
these patterns are so nice, aren't
yeah,
they?
and then it's electric as well. So if you want to make, when you want to make this bed up,
yeah.
I don't know where the button is to press.
Might be some power and stuff you've got to get on, but so that'll drop down electronically then with the key.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, drops down electronically with the key to make the bed up.
Good spot for the TV as well.
So you can make it. There is cushions to make up a bed here.
Yes.
Full belted seats.
Yeah.
Really, it's a two-berth, and the beauty of it's under 6 metres, but it's sold.
Yes.
And I like the kitchen area. We've got a good sized fridge freezer.
Massive, isn't it?
Pop your head in the washroom then.
Yeah.
What have you got
Oh
there?
wow.
Nice separate shower.
Wow. That's really nice, isn't
It's like
it?
it's hard,
For
isn't
a
it?
little van, yeah.
For under 6 metres, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool, because of
You got a
the...
full size fridge freezer, you got a microwave,
Yes.
you got combined oven grill, 3 burner, 2 gas burners, 1 electric.
Yeah. It's that F60 kind of layout again, isn't it? With the drop
Yeah,
down
but
bed.
the
and then-
F60 has a washroom across the back.
Yes.
Doesn't have like this
The
L shape.
L kitchen. That's really nice, isn't it?
I think I prefer that.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it gives you much more kitchen area, much more worktop area.
Yeah. So much storage, isn't there,
Yeah.
around as well? And like the lockers right above as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it do on us? The same as well, don't they? French the
Chasson, yes.
do same as the F60.
Yes.
I think Auto Trail actually copied the Chasson, and I think the Chasson one was out first.
Yeah.
Nice Auto Trail V-line.
Selling that one for someone, I think.
Yeah, that's a sale or return. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice big dead low mileage, that isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, nice van.
We've got a Dormobile. That's an old name. Dormobile. Started off on the old Bedford CAs and Commas and all that.
Want to wash
the
off, do it,
Dormobile.
that one?
Nice big remore here. Keys for that. We've got a few vans in stock. We've got the Auto Trail there, the C71. A 24 plate, 8th edition. Too hot for going in all vans then.
Yeah. Yeah. Convenient, we haven't got the
Nice.
keys.
Swift Escape 674 here.
Yeah. Nice. You don't see many of these, do you? The Etruscos.
No. Part of the Armour group, aren't they?
Are they?
Etrusco.
Yeah.
Sure they are, yeah.
Yeah, don't get that many of them, do you?
Good
really?
price as well for a 26.
It is. Hell of a good price, yeah.
Nice van inside. We have actually done a video of that, so it will be on our... Whether it's out yet, I don't know. Another V-line.
Yeah. They're popular, aren't they, those?
Yeah. So as you can see, should we have a walk around the front?
Yeah, we've done about 10 minutes so far waffling, so
You like the back?
probably get another few. No, they're looking well, aren't they, all these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shining in the sun. Glinting. With the sun glinting off them.
What do you make of the new fronts on them? Do you like it?
Yeah, I like them. I think they look chunky.
I can't make my mind up on the
I couldn't
the
at first.
grid, but yeah, I think it
But,
might
I
just
mean,
be
yeah.
more seeing more of them.
You're looking from that one to that one.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know which
Yeah.
I'd pick personally there. Yeah,
Oh, I like the new front.
yeah. Different, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
good to try stuff.
That's
isn't it?
that's the facelift model. Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Yeah.
what we're looking 2013. That's one of the first ones. That. So another van going out up there.
little Roma home up
Ladies
there.
just bought that. Yeah. Come all the way from Yorkshire for that. It'll give you an idea of some of the vans we've got in stock. And some of the prices as well. Vauxhall. Vivaro, is it? It's a cheap little VW as well, on a 20 plate.
Yeah.
Well, it's a Cordo, again, that's more of a compact. Got one.
People who just bought the Benamar were looking in this one as well. They
Yeah.
couldn't decide which
No.
one they wanted, and then I think like that sort of fixed bed and the better kitchen perhaps just swayed it for them. But
Yeah.
that one is nice though, with the end lounge at the back.
The Bailey. I mean, that's the shape of that's not changed for a long time.
No.
But they have made different models now. It's like I say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah.
You got a nice little high top VW, eh? Nice cheap one. I'll say cheap, 30k.
Value.
Little compact.
Tell you what, this is a really nice colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like that sort of navy, and very good price on it as well. Actually, I think for someone.
It's a one berth.
Yeah.
But it's ideal for somebody that does a bit of fishing, stuff like that.
You think for that price at 13 grand for like 70 plate camper, use it for a few years and then
it is
you're
on
going to do
it
all right,
is on
aren't you?
petrol, it's petrol engine.
Yeah.
Saying that now, petrol, the price of petrol compared with the price of diesel and the mileage you get out of the petrol. I mean, I've got me Dacia Duster over there. That's only a 1 litre petrol.
Yeah.
It was like stink as well.
They sound nice as well, don't they? The petrol.
Yeah. And it runs on LPG as well now.
You can have it on both.
Yeah.
Or either.
I'm running out LPG at the moment, £1.6 a litre.
Nice.
You don't get the mileage out of the LPG.
Yes. Yeah.
They've got a Swift.
Yeah, this one's sold. I think it's all being valeted inside, and it's going out on Friday, so it's just waiting. Obviously, we're on the Tuesday now, so we'll just wait to wash it off, and then.
Then we've got another trade sale here.
Yeah.
Can't beat the old symbol.
No.
The layout of the symbol is.
They haven't changed it at all, have they? It shows how good it was
This one's slightly different
at the time.
in the fact if it's the one I'm thinking of. Yes, yeah. You've got a fold-out bed that comes out on the top, so it'll sleep. It'll sleep.
Yes. Yeah. You get like an outside awning by the looks of it in that one as well.
Yeah.
And then this one's just sold as well, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Again, a good sort of price for that trade sale type, and getting a good little camper, good value, aren't you? So, yeah. That's it.
Quite a few have been rehomed.
Yeah. A lot of space over here, isn't there, Kev? I think time to get a few more in, maybe.
Yeah, so if you've got a motorhome to sell, motorhomeman.co.uk. We buy vans, we sell vans. Well, we rehome them. We're a rehoming centre at a price. So and don't forget to subscribe as well.
Yeah.
And we do finance through Pegasus Finance. You can fully finance, part finance. So the option's always there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Go and have a brew.